In this video, you will learn how to install the Lorex Connect wired system featuring an 8-channel NVR, RN100 Series, and a 4K PoE turret camera, CN100 Series. These products are only compatible with the Lorex Connect app. Package contents include an NVR, mouse, power adapter, HDMI cable, and a network cable, 4K IP PoE turret camera, Ethernet cable, mounting template, mounting screws, and a mounting bracket. To begin, connect the NVR to your router with the network cable. Next, plug in the power adapter and connect it to the NVR. You will see a green light turn on. It's recommended to connect the cameras to the NVR first before mounting them. If you'd like, you can also connect a monitor to the NVR using the included HDMI cable and USB mouse. If you're using a monitor, follow the on-screen steps to complete the Lorex setup wizard. Download the Lorex Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create a new account or log in with your existing Lorex Connect account. Note, you will have to sign up for a Lorex Connect account. You cannot use your Lorex Classic login. Tap Add Device and select Recorder. Then follow the in-app steps to complete the setup. Ensure your phone is on the same network as the router and NVR. Once you've added your recorder in the app and can see the added camera, you're ready to mount the camera in the desired location. Decide what you want to monitor and pick a spot that gives you the widest, clearest view. For best performance, mount the camera at about 10 feet, 3 meters high. Mark and drill the holes using the mounting template. To route the cable neatly along a wall, use the camera's cable notch. Insert anchors. Attach the mounting bracket using the screws. Feed the cable through and line up the camera with the bracket. Set the angle, then turn the cover until it locks. Connect power and secure the weather-resistant cap. Remove the lens film and adjust the camera for the optimal view. Once your camera is installed, use the Lorex Connect app to set motion detection, enable deterrence lighting, or send quick responses.
We will be right there.
We hope you found this installation video helpful. For more information or product support, check the package details or visit www.lorex.com/help.